Here I have MAXCOM MS456 and let me show you how to use interruptions, so it's like do not disturb mode on the Android devices. So at the very beginning, let's tap apps icon right here, find and select the settings, and under device tab let's choose sound and notification. Here you can scroll down and choose interruptions. So here you can choose the mode of interruptions. You can choose always interrupt, so it's like the normal mode. You can select allow only priority interruptions. If you would like to use this mode, you have to choose the time when you would like to switch it on, or you can choose the first option, so you can use this mode until you turn it off. You may also choose don't interrupt, so this is the most restrictful mode. You don't allow for any interruptions. Let me choose it. And here you can also handle with events and reminders. You can accept some calls and messages from some favorite group of people, and you can also use some scheduled time, so you can, for example, switch on automatically this interruptions mode every weekend, every weeknight, or every other rule. So if you would like to go back and disable this mode, let's choose always interrupt. As you can see, the icon of this mode disappear, so you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.